4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 26, часть 1, страница 58-59. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 26, part number 1, page number 58-59. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 58. 58. Grammarland. Present simple. Present simple. Настоящее простое время. Present simple мы употребляем, когда речь идет о действиях, которые происходят обычно, постоянно. He works in a hospital. Он работает в больнице. He doesn't work in a hospital. Он не работает в больнице. Does he work in a hospital? Он работает в больнице. Утверждение. I like bananas. You like bananas. He likes bananas. She likes bananas. It likes bananas. We like bananas. You like bananas. They like bananas. Do I like bananas? Do you like bananas? Does he like bananas? Does she like bananas? Do you like bananas? Do they like bananas? Отрицание. Полная форма. I do not like bananas. I don't like bananas. Краткая форма. You do not like bananas. You don't like bananas. They do not like bananas. They don't like bananas. Present simple, for example, is a pilot. He flies planes. I fix cars. He flies planes. They don't sell vegetables. Does she like fish? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Глагол. No, knows. Go, goes. Fix, fixes. Fly, flies. Make, makes. Настоящее простое время. Он пилот, он летает на самолетах. Я чиню машины, он летает на самолетах. Они продают овощи. Вопрос, она любит рыбу? Да, нет. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look and say, be a famous singer. Посмотри и скажи, быть знаменитой певицей. Have a big car, иметь большую машину. Go into space, путешествовать в космос. Be a footballer, быть футболистом. Buy a big boat, покупать большую лодку. Go to Africa, путешествовать в Африку. Dancer. When Mona grows up, she wants to be a famous singer. She doesn't want to have a big car. She wants to go into space, buy a big boat and go to Africa. She doesn't want to be a footballer. The next answer. When Henry grows up, he doesn't want to be a famous singer. He wants to be a footballer. He wants to have a big car and go into space. Henry doesn't want to have a big boat and go to Africa. The next. When Emma grows up, she wants to be a famous singer. She wants to have a big car and go into space. She doesn't want to be a footballer. Emma also doesn't want to buy a big boat and go to Africa. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Draw, then talk with your friend. Do you like football? Of course I do. I play football every day. Ты любишь футбол? Конечно, я играю в футбол каждый день. The answer. Do you like cats? Of course I do. I've got a wonderful cat. Do you like ice cream? Of course I do. I can eat a kilo of ice cream. Do you like tennis? Of course I do. I play tennis every week. Do you like singing? Of course I do. I sing every day. Do you like reading books? Of course I do. I read every evening. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Correct your teacher. An astronaut makes bread. Исправь учителя. Космонавт делает хлеб. No, an astronaut doesn't make bread. He flies into space. Нет, космонавт не делает хлеб. Он летает в космос. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 59. 59. Exercise number 4. Read and complete the text. Прочитай и закончи текст. Vladimir wakes up at 7:30. He gets dressed and has breakfast at 8 o'clock. He goes to school at 8:45. Lessons start at 9 o'clock. Vladimir usually finishes school at 3:30. In the afternoon, Vladimir does his homework. Then at 7:45, he watches his favorite program on TV. The answer. Wakes, gets, has, goes, start, finishes, does, watches. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Read the text in the exercise number 4 again. Make the questions or the answers below. Прочитай заново текст в упражнении 4. Составь вопросы к ответам ниже. Когда встает Владимир? В 7:30. When does Vladimir wake up? At 7:30. Number 2. What time does he have breakfast? Когда он завтракает? At 8 o'clock. Number 3. Does he do his homework in the evening? Делает он уроки вечером? No, he doesn't. Vladimir does his homework in the afternoon. Number 4. When does he finish his school? Когда заканчиваются уроки? At 3:30. Number 5. Two lessons start at 9:30. Уроки начинаются в 9:30. No, they don't. Lessons start at 9 o'clock. Number 6. When does he watch his favorite program on TV? Когда он смотрит свою любимую передачу по телевизору? The answer, 7:45. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.